I'm slipping! The floor is so slippery from whatever you used.
In my defense, the kitchen smells amazing right now. I found a jacket I bought 3 years ago and never wore, still with the tag on it.
3 years, Tom. 3 years in the closet.
Today's topic is a little different. We're going to talk about cleaning.
Oh, no, not this topic again?
Yes, this topic again, because something happened last weekend, Tom.
Please don't tell them.
Oh, I'm telling them every single detail.
This is going to be a long video, isn't it?
It's going to be a very informative video for everyone learning English and for you too, apparently.
Fine, let's just get this over with.
Actually, before we start, I want to ask you something. Last Saturday, Tom cleaned our kitchen floor with something, and it wasn't soap.
Lily?
The floor became so slippery that I almost fell down. So here's my question for you. What do you think Tom used to clean the floor?
I already regret this video.
Write your guess in the comments below. We will never tell you the real answer. Only Tom and I know the truth.
And I plan to take this secret to my grave.
We'll see about that. Let's start the story from the beginning. Okay, so let's talk about our weekend. Every Saturday, we clean our apartment together.
Yes, we have a system. I do the kitchen and Lily does the bathroom.
A system. That's a big word for what actually happens.
Hey, it usually works.
Usually. But last Saturday was different. It actually started before the kitchen thing.
Oh no, you're going back to the beginning?
I am. So we woke up around 9, and Tom said he wanted to be efficient this week.
I did say that. I had a plan.
Tell them your plan, Tom.
My plan was simple. Clean everything at the same time. Vacuum in one hand, cloth in the other hand.
He was literally holding 2 cleaning tools at once, walking around the apartment like some kind of cleaning robot.
It was efficient, in theory.
In theory, in real life, he tripped over the vacuum cord within the first 5 minutes.
That could happen to anyone.
And then he knocked over the plant in the hallway, soil everywhere.
Okay, that part wasn't part of the plan.
So now, instead of cleaning, we're cleaning up soil from the floor. Great start to the efficient Saturday.
To be fair, I did clean that up very quickly.
You did, I'll give you that. But then, after the plant situation, I went to clean the bathroom, and I heard a strange noise from the kitchen.
It wasn't that strange.
Tom, there was foam everywhere. On the floor, on the cabinets, even on the ceiling.
I was just trying to clean fast.
You mixed 2 different cleaning products, didn't you?
I don't want to talk about the details.
And then, when I walked in to see what happened,
Please don't.
I slipped. I almost fell on the floor because it was so slippery from whatever you used.
Okay. It was a little bit funny.
A little bit? I was holding onto the wall for 10 minutes, Tom. 10 minutes.
In my defense, the kitchen smelled amazing after.
It smelled like a chemistry experiment gone wrong.
Maybe a little bit like that, too.
And then, as if that wasn't enough, we still had the windows to clean.
Oh, right. The window situation.
Tell them about the window situation.
So I was cleaning the big window in the living room, and I used way too much cleaning spray.
Way too much.
And the spray dripped down onto the curtains. Now we have a curtain with a strange wet stain shaped like a triangle.
It's still there. We call it the mystery triangle now.
It has become part of our home decoration at this point.
Anyway, that's why we're talking about cleaning today, because clearly we both need this lesson.
Especially me.
Especially you.
Okay, let's teach people how to clean properly. Maybe I'll learn something too.
That's the plan. Let's start. Okay, let's learn some grammar from our cleaning day. We can use have to and don't have to talk about chores.
Can you give an example?
Sure, I have to clean the bathroom every weekend. That means it's necessary.
And don't have to?
You don't have to mix 3 cleaning products together. That means it's not necessary. And actually, it's a bad idea.
Okay, I understand that example very well.
Let's try more. Tom, what do you have to do every Saturday?
I have to clean the kitchen and take out the trash.
Good. And what do you not have to do?
I don't have to clean the bathroom. That's your job.
Exactly. Have to for obligation, don't have to for no obligation.
Very simple. Unlike my kitchen last Saturday.
We're never letting that go, are we?
Apparently not.
Now let's add one more grammar point. We can also use should and shouldn't for advice.
Give me an example, please.
You should read the label before using a cleaning product.
That would have helped me a lot last Saturday.
Yes, it really would have. And here's another one. You shouldn't mix bleach with other chemicals.
That is very true. Very, very true advice.
Can you make a sentence with should, Tom?
You should always check the cord before you walk with a vacuum.
Speaking from experience?
Speaking directly from experience, yes.
Perfect. Now let's make one with shouldn't.
You shouldn't use too much window spray or you'll get a mystery triangle on your curtains.
Excellent example. Very personal, very true.
I'm basically a professional at making mistakes, so I have a lot of material.
Well, at least it's useful for our lesson today. Let's start with our first word, vacuum. It means a machine that cleans the floor by sucking up dust and dirt.
I actually love vacuuming. It's my favorite chore, believe it or not.
Really? Even after tripping over the cord?
Even after that, yes, because I can see the result immediately. Clean lines on the carpet, no more dust. It feels satisfying.
Example sentence, Tom vacuums the living room every Saturday morning.
And I do it very well, thank you. Cord accidents aside.
Can you make another sentence with vacuum, Tom?
Sure. I need to vacuum under the sofa because there's a lot of dust there.
Good sentence. Very true, too, honestly. Next word, dust. It's the small, dry dirt that collects on furniture and shelves.
Oh, I have a story about this. Last month, I didn't dust our bookshelf for 3 weeks.
3 weeks? Tom.
I forgot. And then I sneezed like 10 times when I finally touched it.
Example sentence. Please dust the shelves before our guests arrive.
Lesson learned. I dust every week now.
Every week, really?
Well, every other week. I'm working on it.
Progress is progress. Third word, mop. It's a tool with a long handle used to clean floors with water.
This word is very connected to our kitchen story.
Very connected, yes. A mop is for cleaning floors safely, unlike other methods someone used.
Okay, we get it.
Example sentence, I mopped the kitchen floor after cooking dinner.
I'm buying a normal mop this week, I promise.
And what will you use it with? Just water?
Just water and maybe a little bit of normal floor cleaner. Nothing else. Nothing mixed.
Progress. Next phrase, tidy up. It means to make a room clean and organized.
I actually love this one. My mom always said, tidy up your room when I was young.
Did you listen to her?
Sometimes. Okay, rarely.
Example sentence, we tidy up the living room before our friends come over.
Now I tidy up every day. Growth.
Every day, even the shoe pile by the door?
Okay, almost every day. The shoe pile is a work in progress.
We'll add that to next week's cleaning list. Next word, laundry. It means clothes that need to be washed or the act of washing clothes.
Ugh, laundry is my least favorite chore.
Why?
Because I always forget the clothes in the washing machine, and then they smell strange.
This happened last week, too.
It happened more than once, okay?
Example sentence. I do the laundry every Sunday evening.
I'm setting a timer from now on, a real one, not just a mental note.
A mental note that you always forget.
Exactly, that's the problem.
Sixth word, wipe. It means to clean a surface using a cloth, usually with a quick movement.
I use this word all the time. Wipe the counter, wipe the table.
Do you actually wipe the counters after cooking?
Most of the time.
Most of the time is not the same as always, Tom.
Example sentence, please wipe the table after breakfast.
Good sentence. Let's hope you follow your own advice tomorrow morning.
No promises, but I'll try.
Next word, declutter. It means to remove things you don't need to make a space more organized.
Oh, this reminds me of our closet.
Yes, we decluttered our closet last month and we found so many things we forgot we owned.
I found a jacket I bought 3 years ago and never wore, still with the tag on it.
3 years, Tom. 3 years in the closet.
It was a good jacket. I was saving it for a special day.
Example sentence. We should declutter the garage this weekend.
Please, not this weekend. I need a break after last Saturday.
Fair enough. Maybe next weekend? Our last word today, spotless. It means completely clean with no dirt or marks at all.
This is a nice word, a positive one after all our disaster stories.
Yes, finally a happy word. Example sentence. After we finished cleaning, the kitchen looked spotless.
Well, spotless except for the ceiling. That part took a few extra days.
True. The ceiling situation was special.
But eventually, yes, spotless. I'm proud of that word today.
As you should be. Despite everything, the apartment really did look amazing by the end of the day. Okay, let's review what we learned today. We learned 8 new words: vacuum, dust, mop, tidy up, laundry, wipe, declutter, and spotless.
And we learned have to, don't have to, should, and shouldn't for talking about chores and giving advice.
Perfect. Now you can talk about cleaning in English even if your weekend is calmer than ours.
Please, let your weekend be calmer than ours.
Try to use at least 3 of today's words in a sentence about your own home. It's great practice.
And maybe, unlike me, read the label on your cleaning products first.
Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comments, what is your least favorite chore to do at home?
And don't forget, guess what I used to clean the kitchen floor? We love reading your guesses.
Some of your guesses last time were so creative, we couldn't stop laughing.
Some of them were honestly closer to the truth than I'm comfortable with.
That's it for today's lesson, everyone. Thank you so much for watching until the end.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel.
We upload a new English lesson every single day, so there's always something new here for you.
Take care of your homes, take care of yourselves, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone.
And please, someone teach me how to clean a kitchen properly.